Welcome, in front of me say UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from, for instance, your phone to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, you want to open up the Files app, which is for me right over here. Let's continue. And then at the bottom you should see your two storages. As you can see, internal and whatever this is, that's going to be SD card. Now, if you don't see any of this, just make sure you're in the browser category right over here. You have two additional ones, like clean and share. And also there's one additional thing that you might want to check if you don't see your storages. When you're on the browse section, tap on the three dots. And for me it shows hide storage devices, but for you, if you don't see them, then it should show storage devices like this. And when you tap on it, it will add them at the bottom. So let's start off with internal storage, and as you can see there is a big mess of folders in here. So I'll only mention the actually important ones. So DCIM, downloads, pictures folder, those are the important ones in my opinion. DCIM will contain pictures, videos captured with the device. Now for me it's empty because I haven't captured anything. Then downloads folder will contain anything that, you guessed it, you've downloaded. And then pictures folder contains screenshots, as you can see. Now kind of weird, they could have just all put it in here, but yeah, DCIM is always the pictures folder. So once you find your files, which for me I'm going to be using the screenshots right here, what you want to do is select them, and you do so by simply holding it. If I can actually hit it, there we go, hit it. So once you hold it, it will then become selected like this, and you can simply tap on additional ones to select more, or tap on the three dots, select all, whichever way you want. Now also, once you have selected all the files that you want, choose one of the two options, so move or copy. I'm going to go with move, but if you want to just keep the files, original ones, where they are and move the copied ones to a new location, then you're also free to do so. So I'm going to select one, move, and then once you tap on either one of them, it will bring up this window right here, and you want to select where you want to move them. Now right now we are on the internal storage, so I'm going to move it to something like an SD card. And once you tap on it, it automatically opens up that SD card and everything that is on it. So from here you could either create a new folder if you wanted to and drop those files into that folder, or if you don't really care, tap move here, and this will move them smack in the middle of that folder, or of that SD card actually. And now if we go back, you will see them right over here. And that is how you remove any kind of file. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.